سڵاتان لەبێ ئازان خۆشەویستان بەخێربێنەوە بۆ ڤیدیۆکینێ وەروای یاریەکینێ ئەم جارە لە گانگستەر ڤێگاسەوە یاری گانگستەر ڤێگاس یاریەکە شێوازەکەی لەوانەیە خۆتان زۆر کردتان وەکو GTA 5 و ئەمانەیە بەڵام چێ بە یەک کەسە نات کەسێکەش شێوازەکەی بەڵام ستۆریە و مۆ دوشتی زۆری تێدایە دەتوانیت هەروەکو GTA دەتوانیت بە ناو شاردا بسۆڕێتە ئۆپن وۆرلدە و وەروە ستۆریە و هەم ئێستا نشینەکەمە زۆر یاری تر
Here's a hard fact of life, kid. You can't win them all. At the end of the day, it's about survival. Now you take a guy. He's caught up in a system, but he thinks he can break that system. Systems gonna break him.
They know.
Now here we got such a schmuck. A schmuck who thought he could outplay the system of which he is a part. Take a good look at him, Jason. I want you to look at him. What this guy forgot is that I own this town, and I am the system. So you know what happens, Jason? You know what happens? Those who work with me, those who understand the system, they get taken care of, Jason. Do you understand what I'm saying? You down in the fourth.
وتيجي شانس في ظهر وتيتو لخوارب
Jason Malone. I'm Paul O'Reilly's cousin, and
Paulie.
he's fine.
He's still with that girl with the lip. Oh no, she got that fixed, didn't she?
Paulie said I could contact you if I ever got into trouble, and I'm in trouble.
Talk to me, sugar. What's the matter?
Shit, Frank!
You talking about Frank Miliano?
He's following me on Fremont. He's gonna fucking kill me! Damn it! I didn't mean to knock him out.
Doesn't matter, kid.
I swear, I didn't mean to.
او هات رزقار مالي بس سيروكو وشوية بس
I'm guessing you're the one who called?
Yeah.
Come on. Let's go.
So, I guess this is the part where I thank you and ask your name and stuff.
No, this is the part where you take this gun and shoot at the assholes behind us while I drive. Nice. Not your first rodeo, is it?
My brothers and I used to shoot at dock rats back in Southie.
Right, well, looks like we've got more rats on our tail. It's Karen, by the way.
Huh?
By name, Karen.
Ah, and you work for Miss Montello?
I'm her accountant, among other things. Man, these pricks are after you. What did you do?
I won a fight I wasn't supposed to win.
That was you?
I didn't mean to knock the bastard out. He just went down.
Barricade up ahead. Shoot at it! Shoot at it!
Bu helikoptere kama takan var bana.
What are you doing?
Gotta take these guys!
Oh, shit!
Yeri ki zor koşa. Yani
Can we help you, ma'am?
Guess the donut break's over.
You been hitting the sauce tonight, ma'am?
No, sir, officer. I've been hitting the sauce all day long.
Are my eyes fooling me, or am I looking at Vera Montello?
Who?
Wife of the late Johnny Montello, before your time. Scum of the earth, this guy. Used to run this town, before he got whacked.
As much as I'm enjoying this walk down memory lane, I think I'll just be leaving.
Okay, come on, Grandma. Let's get you back to the old folks' home.
If I ever hear my Johnny's name pass through your lips again, I'll cut him off. Oh, girl, still got it.
Vera, did you just knock out 2 cops? How? You found the tequila, didn't you?
You thought I wouldn't look behind the washing machine?
Hey, I'm impressed you know that we have a washing machine. That thing was rusted over when I found it.
Can we chat domestic troubles later? We need to get out of here.
My thoughts exactly. You the kid?
Yeah, Jason.
You drive.
Drive what?
The truck.
بس راجل برنامه بس وانی هزكاني خشت أبهيتي
Vibes, they are something. Not perfect.
Shouldn't we go to the police? Frank's trying to kill me.
The cops are on Frank's payroll, just like the rest of this town.
Just drive, kid. We'll worry about Frank later.
Head north to the strip.
I gotta get me one of these. Handles like a dream.
It may not be a Galapino, but it'll bust through any police blockades. Nice! Guess you've had to shake cops before. Probably after they found out you were shooting all those rats.
What can I say? Boston's finest protect the rights of man and vermin.
Nice one, kid. I'll drink to that. Congratulations, kid. You're a rising star on Vegas's most wanted list. Karen, got it.
Catch.
This is not going well. Get away! Well, that was a gas.
More fun than I've had in a long time.
Karen, tell Jason that if he just gives me a little time, I think I can work things out with Frank. It's delicate, but we'll figure it out.
You do know I'm standing right here. So now what?
We're good here. It's safe. Just, lay low for a while. We'll be in touch.
حفظ الماس شي داعيني لقل 120,000 بوينت.
Hello?
Hey, it's Karen.
How's it going?
بس ما تشكرت يا ابو عندي قبل زانين انا بترول انا باتريك هيجي بس زيادة يعني كاتب زيادة اللي قصد عليه احنا كي خلاص نبت انا cheater بس انجو reload time كاتر reload كما يكون لكم خلط لكم زانين ملكت نسيت كورا بكاس ميداني يعني وزن كاتي ناخي رأي بوخي رأي راكب نجيبه
So look, you're officially on the lam, which means you need your own piece. Swing by a shop and grab one.
Sounds good. Hey, I'm here. What should I get?
I don't know, whatever gun's shiniest. I'm not your babysitter.
All right, I got something.
Nice. Now buy a new ride.
Huh?
What? I'm not gonna...
All right, missed out. You need anything?
Nah, I'm good. Catch you later.
person, you know? Lately, I found myself feeling sad.
Are you sick of the sideways glances you get from friends and family because you're such a downer all the time? Ask your doctor if Happify is right for you.
Warning, side effects may include tremor, dizziness, constipation, tingling, running with scissors, seeing dead people walking around like normal people. Some patients may experience an involuntary sex change while on Amplify. If you get the hiccups, try to remove after 10 seconds. Usually works for me. Contact your doctor if your teeth and or hair begin falling out. Amplify is not intended for use in diets that include protein and or carbohydrates.
Amplify has changed my life forever. Thanks, Doc.
You're in Polly's playground now. 87.8 tonight. Tonight.
87.8.
Ama ne güzel ki. Oraya bakalım. Başlar olmazsa neyse. Displays. Diğer bir fotoğrafı alalım. Agar bunlar mı yazdı?
The next cut I've got encapsulates the way I like to live my life. It's kill or be killed. Dirty sweet.
Bazı hatırlamıyoruz. Burası çok kötü. Dollar store. Supermarket. بنای دلار ستور.
Squeeze me.
بني ماركت خير. گوش زنی. اگر بیکوزیم.
You had this.
اگر نتونیم براش دیگه الشهر لاس فيغاس شا
Sexual aggression was everywhere in the summer of '88, and now he's here in our studio. How you doing, Spike?
I coughed up my kidney this morning, and between my alimony and child support payments, I'm netting about $6.75 a month. So, okay, I guess.
You are known for being this like hardcore party maniac. Give us a crazy story.
On our tour of Southeast Asia in '91, I met a guy who was gonna screw me to the blood, but he must have slipped me something else. Because the next thing I know, I woke up in a bedroom surrounded by these scary Japanese businessmen. Thought I was a girl on account of the whole glam thing. That or they didn't care. Took me 8 months to escape and hop a ship back to the States. What a ride.
So would you say rocket was worth it?
Well, my dating life hasn't been the same since losing my manhood to super syphilis. But yeah, there were some good times. Plus, I never learned to read, so that limited my career options.
And there you have it. Thanks for coming in today.
Yeah, no sweat. Listen, can I have some change for the bus?
Let me grab my purse.
Hola, señores y señoritas. Paco en casa de Sánchez. Inviting you to the casa for the fiesta of a lifetime. Not only is our food full of olé, but all this weekend, la señorita Consuela Vieja de Montaña de Sangre de Cristo will be serving up a special drink, the Toti Sanchez.
Ai, vou procurar. Não faço. Posterni anche se ne nasce.
KWAT 104.2 with my weekly rundown of the hittest things to do in Vegas. Ronnie's rules. Ronnie's rule number 1. Wine coolers. Sure, no one drinks them, but that's what makes them cool. Ronnie's rule number 2. Drive west on Highway 9 until you see the flashing lights pull over. Pay the cop $5. He'll escort you down a beaten road. Then get ready to watch the best animal sacrifice of your life. That being said, I have to point out that animal sacrifice when Ronnie's rule number 3. If you need to listen to my rules to know what to do with yourself, then do because rules suck. Find your own path. We'll see you next week for the next set of Ronnie's rules. Talk to you after this. Ronnie Q here on KWAT 104.2. Let's go on a ride with Laserhawk's single Red Line. Ready, set, jam.
Yuvadlarım videoga sambudu bilet. Like ve subscribe sandiğinizi ediyorum. Videoda şefim bağlantı. Sonra zangılıda bırakın. Takip edin video kanalımdan. Hadi videoyu like etmeyi unutmayın. Hadi videoyu